is fermentation.
This is condition.
Fermentation.
Temperature.
Temperature, yeah. Temperature usually
37.
37 to 40. Yeah, after to take out, to put in the cooling room 10 hours to 20 hours for make the aging and hardening. So texture will be good.
And then
Yeah, this fermentation. After fermentation to baking, electrode, we baking the bread using the electric.
so how is it working?
What?
How is it working?
How like the omo principle.
Okay.
The power
Resistance.
through the pellet to make the heating.
So the current is going right now from here.
Yeah. You can see the two the power electric power currency to heating.
So we should not touch this, right?
Yeah, not just to baking. After to baking the bread will be bigger one. So you bake it on the almond principle.
Ohms.
Yeah, almond.
Resistance.
Yeah, this is fermentation bread. Already fermentation finished. So take out.
How much time does it take?
15.
1 5.
One bag to 15.
1
bag.
5 minutes.
Yeah, 15 one bag. But if you want to make the Panko needle longer one, need 25 to 30 minutes. If you make only the normally granular bread come, normally 10 to 15 minutes. One batch. So based on the different formula and the final product requirement. This cooling room to store the breadcrumb to be hardening and aging, to make the texture stronger and hardening after easy to crushing. So that's why I told you fermentation type breadcrumb panko need to more spicy.